Chiara De Biase, interventional cardiologist at Clinique Pasteur, Toulouse, France. Have you heard about the TAVI fundamentals track at the next PCR London Valve Congress? If don't, let's discover this course around tips and tricks on TAVI procedure. Let's do that with us. Together with my colleague Chris Cook and Jonathan Curio, we'll spend together a Saturday afternoon just before the beginning of the Congress by debating on fundamentals and new evidence of TAVI procedures. We can't wait to share knowledge with you. Vi aspettiamo a Londra.
I'm Nicole Karam, interventional cardiologist in Georges Pompidou in Paris, and I'm one of the coordinators of the fellow course at the London Valve this year, and I'm mainly taking care of the mitral track. Building on the success of last year, we are back with a new edition, and again we have revised the content, and whether you are already an operator for mitral procedures or you are just considering to start a new program, this course is for you. We're gonna go all the way from the diagnosis, from the patient selection to the procedure per se, to the follow-up, and all this will be in a very interactive form where you will be able to participate, to ask your questions, and we will spend a nice afternoon together building up the future of the mitral interventions. See you there.